The first creation from the source itself is the divine planes. And these are perfect planes. These are perfect creations where not a single bit of imperfection is present there. That's why these are divine creations. And this is the first form that, or the first shape that source created, and it's the closest to the source. So it's perfect in every possible, imaginable way. Now, after the divine creation, there is a copy of the divine, which is called the ParBrahman creation. And that is already a copy of the divine, which means it's not original and not as perfect. From the ParBrahman creation, there is another copy in the yogic terms called Brahman worlds, the Brahman creations, or it's called Brahmanda. So that is a copy of the ParBrahmanda. Again, and it's again more diluted, less perfect, and less original. From the Brahmanda creation, then there is the subtle creation, which is the Anda creation, the Anda universe. And that is a copy of the Brahmanda universe with even more distortions, even more limitations. And from the subtle universe, Anda universe, there is another copy, which is the physical universe, the biophysical universe. It's called the Pinda universe. So essentially, where we are is a copy of a copy of the perfection of the creation. Although this is the place where we are, but as we awaken, we can attune and experience something more beautiful, more perfect, more divine. We can return to experience that higher creation, or the self and the way of the self. And as you spend more time at these various levels of creation, you start to see that at this level it's like that, and at this level of Pinda, the biophysical universe, it's like this. And the science of today, it only goes to start to understand the Pinda universe creation. The quantum physics is pointing the Big Bang and the quantum physics and all the cosmic phenomena, and even this God particle that CERN has found. It's a particle that creates matter, that gives matter its mass. So therefore, that's what gives a physical creation. And the God particle that CERN has figured out is not a God particle. It's a particle of the physical creation, which is a copy of the subtle and all the higher levels of creation. So there's a long way for the science to go higher. However, the Anda universe, bridging the gap, pouring into the perspective of the current scientists, because the holistic scientists are now finding the evidence and the mechanics of the free energy, of the anti-gravity devices, propulsion, and so on, and the new healing modalities which tap into the subtle plane, or the Anda universe, into the etheric fields, where yes, there is plenty of energy, literally infinite energy for anything. That is a sign that even the holistic science is now looking deeper, higher, and starting to experience the other plane of creation beyond the biophysical universe.